Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. As if to pour said on Big Boy's wounded ego, Atozi has since spied out a kill for the nation to fund his legal defense and has already raised immensely more money than Big Boy took in his original suit. Atozi has had this rating reset the following in total more than. If that seems like a lot for defense against a very false 75% nonsense lawsuit, it is, but feel free to donate more. Atozi has said he will pass any excess along to the highly reputable crypto policy group Coin Center. More importantly, every dollar you donate will add to the wake of Bitboy's money humiliation when he deserves it. Uh, Warning: a selfish husband said to blow half his inheritance on Bitcoin. A man's plan to spend half of the entertains entertains on the cryptocurrency has been slammed online after his wife worried about the decision. The wife talked to popular forum Mumset to gain opinions on her situation following a row about how her husband sold spent a 15,000 increase thanks quotables about more money are far from rare. In fact, according to research by Ramsey Solution, money is the number one issue that married couple talk about. The issue doesn't only affect those who have teeth to cannot. A survey by finance sites Laureate found that 48% of Americans is a serious relationship agree about finance. For this woman, 15,000 inheritance has become within her marriage, with her husband gaining the lump sum from his late aunt. They are financially compatible but not allotted and have a hook mortgage. My husband wants to put the entire amount into Bitcoin, she wrote. He's recurrently agreed to just put half into Bitcoin and the other half into our joint ISA. For reference, I am the breadwinner by a country mile and we share all of our income. I never questioned this, so it now feels unfair that his money is his money. How utterly selfish on him, wrote on user you've started finance all this time and then he decided the interest is his to cause what to do with. If my idea I did this, it would completely change how I felt about him. Another word I just be of that he is regretting it as his money and not asserted apps as you're the high earner and the sharing that will make me totally rethink my finance and would a brother to consult him on anything you wanted to buy in the future. He has shown you how he truly feel about what he is now. Act accordingly by starting to keep a percentage of your wigs for yourself. Agree another users. Awful to find out how he will put himself first rather than the family. For other, however, the station wasn't so black and white, citing the interest money should be treated the same way as a salary. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.